Buy all your Willys and Jeep restoration parts at thejeepsterman.com, because we're not just Jeepsters anymore.
Man, check this out. You ever seen this? You don't have to worry about rust anymore. Any of that junk. I guess we're gonna get rid of those right there. So John, what is that? What is that made out of?
Okay, this is a poly tank. These are made by MTS, made in the USA. Made up in Iowa, great company. We've dealt with them for years. You don't have to worry about these things rusting. You don't have to worry about the dents. Some people are partial to steel. They're like, oh, I want a steel. But I will tell you that tank over there that's only maybe 5 years old that's steel already has rust in it. So
Yeah.
I like these poly tanks. Some people try to hate on them, but I think they're great. So what's cool is we're putting this tank in the passenger side because we know that these flat fenders don't have much fuel in them. So since we're going to be on long trips, we're going to have 2 tanks. So you can put a tank in these that fits under the passenger seat. I had to remove the toolbox. The toolbox is gone, and I got to do a little work to remove these screws, but you'll get the concept.
Let me walk over here so you can see it.
You'll get the concept where this is going to go. Now I got to cut a hole, and I have those pieces as well for the fuel filler neck to go through.
It really is about the same size too, isn't it?
Yeah,
Like
it is.
On this one.
Yep. 6-hole center unit. Here's your fuel pickup right here. They label everything for you, so it's pretty self-explanatory how to do that. So we're going to hook this thing up. We have these on our website as well, and I have the steel ones on there too if you want to steal one. They're on the website, thejeepsterman.com. You can email us, sales@thejeepsterman.com, or you can call us 314-798-6462 for these. And this is for the epic Willys Concord event that we're building this one. So,
Yeah, that's the one we're gonna win, right?
we're going to win it as long as I can get this thing to start.
Yeah, because look, we got extra fuel. We don't have to stop.
Yeah, don't have to stop.
To get a free copy of the Willys and Jeep Restoration Parts catalog from the Jeepster Man, go to www.thejeepsterman.com and order your free copy today.
Awesome. Actually, you know what? No high tech at all.